yet. All right, where do I want to start? Just to refresh over, it starts in the basics of adding and subtracting integers. So when you add and subtract when there's two rules that you have when you're adding and subtracting integers. If the signs are the same, another rule. If the signs are the same, you add them up and keep that same sign. Add them up and keep that sign. Okay, so obviously if you have two positive numbers, if you have 12 plus 9, you just add those up and you get 21. You keep the sign as positive. If you have -3 plus -8, really you can ignore the negative numbers there and say, okay, 3 plus 8 is 11. They're both negative, so since they have the same sign, I keep that sign. So 3 plus 8 is 11. Since they're both negative, my answer is -11. What about this right here? What do you have to do on this one? Oh wait, that's going to fall into the other category. Erase that. Sorry, my bad. That's the next rule. All right, so if the signs are the same, you can add them up and keep the same sign. Positive, that's positive numbers. But if you have negative and negative, you just add them up and the answer is negative. If the signs are different, then you subtract them and take the bigger number sign. The bigger number sign. So if I have -8 plus 10, okay, so first of all, whatever sign is in front of there goes with that, so that means it is +10 and -8. So you have negative and a positive, the signs are different. So the easy way to do this is just to do 10 minus 8 is 2. My bigger number is 10. So, and it's positive, so I get +2. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 is positive, so my answer is positive. 10 is bigger, so my answer is positive. If I have negatives, I guess when you look like this one right here, 10 minus 14, it would be -4. Here again, you subtract them, so 14 minus 10 is 4. 14 is a bigger number, so and it's negative, so my answer is negative. Or that one I was fixing to do, if I have 10 minus -8, when you have minus a negative, somebody said it, it becomes plus. So minus a negative would become plus, so that would just be 10. The reason minus a negative becomes plus is because a different word I could use for this right here is the opposite. And the opposite of -8 would be +8. Okay, so that's kind of why that becomes plus. So opposite of -8 is +8. To me, that'd be 100% honest. Some people really like these rules because you can just say, look, the signs are the same, you add them up, keep the same. The signs are different, you subtract them and take the bigger number of signs. They'll try to calculate it anyway, so it probably doesn't matter. Going through these, there are problems that make me do these. I think about money. It's always saying about money. So if I'm in the hole $8 and I pay back 10, then I'm +2. If I'm $10 and I spend 14, then I'm in the hole -4. I always think about money when I'm doing it because that's more real life to me. All right, so what about